There's a new flagship shaking up the entire smartphone scene, and it's not from Apple or Samsung. The OnePlus 15 has officially landed, and it's got the kind of upgrades that make even the biggest brands nervous. This phone doesn't just tick boxes, it rips through expectations. But here's the thing, for all the power and polish packed inside, there's one decision OnePlus made that's raising eyebrows everywhere. Stick around, because this one's going to be fun. Welcome back, viewers, Sam here. If you love catching the latest and craziest in tech, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Alright, let's dive straight into why the OnePlus 15 might just be 2025's most unexpected flagship. So, OnePlus didn't hold back this time. Their latest device is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the same chip that's already breaking benchmark records. We're talking raw and tame power that makes multitasking feel like flipping through sticky notes. Games load faster, apps respond instantly, and even under heavy use, this thing barely breaks a sweat. But here's the crazy part. Despite all that performance, it's actually more power efficient. The chip uses less energy and produces less heat, so the phone stays cooler, faster, and more stable for hours. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the storage. OnePlus upgraded to UFS 4.1, meaning apps launch before you even realize you tap them. Everything feels more fluid. Combine that with Android's refined optimization, and you get one of the smoothest smartphone experiences ever. Now, let's talk about the real showstopper, the battery. 7,300 milliamp hours. Yes, you heard that right. That's bigger than what most gaming phones offer. It's the kind of capacity that makes you forget where your charger is. You can binge shows, crush enemies in long gaming sessions, or scroll endlessly through social media, and this phone just keeps going. And when you do finally need to charge, OnePlus goes wild again. 120W wired charging. Plug it in for a few minutes and boom, you're back to full. Wireless, yep, 50W fast charging there too. It's basically refusing to let you slow down, but power isn't everything. The OnePlus 15's display is a treat for the eyes. A 6.78-inch flat panel with a 165Hz refresh rate, and yes, it's buttery smooth. The resolution drops slightly to 1.5K, but honestly, you wouldn't notice unless you put it under a microscope. Colors pop, brightness hits new highs, and the Nubo X3 display material boosts efficiency while lasting 30% longer. Oh, and the bezels? Practically invisible, just 1.15 millimeters thin. It's clean, sharp, and more durable thanks to the flat design. Now here's something you don't see every day. An IP69K rating. That's not just water resistance. It's high-pressure jet protection. It's like saying, yeah, pour a bucket on me. I dare you. This thing's built tough, and it shows, but of course, no flagship is complete without cameras, and this is where the story takes a turn. The OnePlus 15 rocks a triple 50MP setup, but there's a twist. The legendary Hasselblad branding? Gone. Instead, OnePlus is going solo with its own Detail Max engine, and that's where things get interesting. This in-house image processing uses AI tuning for sharper textures, deeper contrast, and better color calibration. It's a bold move, but early tests show it might actually outperform the old Hasselblad-tuned shots in detail and balance. Still, purists might miss that iconic name. The main 50MP sensor is now larger. 1 point for versus 1.56, which means more light, less noise, and richer depth. Low-light photography looks clean, with true-to-life colors and less overprocessing. The telephoto lens now reaches 3.5x optical zoom, perfect for portraits and distant subjects, while the ultra-wide holds onto detail even at tricky angles. And that 32MP front camera? Sharper, faster, and smarter thanks to AI skin tone correction. But here's the part that's causing a stir. OnePlus ditched the alert slider. That iconic switch that fans have loved since forever? Gone. In its place is the new plus key. You can customize it to launch the camera, toggle modes, or trigger shortcuts. It's functional, sure, but not everyone's happy. That little slider was a personality trait for OnePlus phones, and losing it feels like saying goodbye to an old friend. Design-wise, though, the OnePlus 15 absolutely nails it. Flat edges, sleek finish, and colors that hit that perfect balance between subtle and premium. The camera island blends beautifully into the body. No unnecessary curves, no bulky corners, just pure symmetry. And here comes the part that shocked everyone: the price. The OnePlus 15 starts at around $562 in China. That's actually cheaper than last year's model, despite having a stronger processor, a larger battery, faster charging, and better durability. Even the top-tier version with 16GB RAM and 1TB storage comes in at about $758. In today's world where flagship prices keep climbing, this feels almost rebellious, but there's a reason for it. OnePlus is shifting strategy, moving away from luxury pricing and aiming back at what made them famous: flagship killer value. They saw how brands like iQOO gained traction by offering insane performance for less, and OnePlus clearly took notes. The goal: to give you premium power without the premium tax. Now, every upgrade has its trade-offs. The slightly lower display resolution, the missing alert slider, and the departure from Hasselblad might not sit well with some. But when you stack up everything else, from the 7,300 mAh battery and 120W charging to the Snapdragon 8 Elite and IP69K durability, it's clear that OnePlus is playing a different game this year. They're not chasing trends. They're setting new ones. And here's a fun fact: if OnePlus pulls this off globally with the same pricing, this phone could actually pressure brands like Samsung and Apple to rethink their pricing next year. That's how disruptive this move could be. So now the big question: is the OnePlus 15 the most balanced flagship of 2025, or did the brand trade too much for that price drop? Because when you combine the massive battery, killer design, and flagship tier performance with that price, it's hard not to call it one of the boldest launches of the year. Personally, I think this phone might just reset expectations for what a premium Android should cost. It's fast, it's efficient, it's beautifully built, and it doesn't break the bank. But hey, that's just my take. I'd love to hear yours. Do you think the OnePlus 15 has what it takes to dethrone the big players? Drop your thoughts in the comments because this debate's about to get interesting.